Make money listening to music. Did you know that listening to music and writing reviews about it would earn you money? One of the many ways to make money online is by listening to music. You can significantly increase your pocket money simply by signing up for the websites listed in this guide. Where do you get paid by these websites? Users are paid to review music by new and emerging singers and songwriters on such websites. To help musical artists find the path they need for their songs, these websites need input from a wide variety of people. Today, we will tell you about how to make money listening to music. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. The first way we have on this list is to start a music blog. Blogging is the most difficult but still the most lucrative way to get paid to listen to music. Are you considering starting a music blog? You should be aware that running a good music blog takes a considerable amount of time, effort, and energy. To begin, you must narrow down the blog's genre and goals. Do you choose to write about local music, foreign music, or a bit of a combination of the two? Do you want to study music or simply talk about various music-related topics? You must also choose your target audience. This is the most important move because it decides how you will promote your blog. Let us say you're trying to reach out to country music fans. You should concentrate your outreach efforts on live country music shows, country music concerts, festivals, country music-related social media sites, and local music joints. The ability to connect is crucial. You will need to establish relationships with local brands, record labels, and festival and event organizers. This could lead to you earning money from your blog as a side hustle. Artists and record labels can pay for a promotion on your page if you create a steady following. With a popular music blog, you could receive up to $1,000 per month. However, there is no surefire way to quickly build a loyal following. To get a better idea of what works, look at other popular music blogs like Buzzbands or Disco Bell. The good news is that starting a blog is both easy and affordable. For just $3.95 per month, you can start a blog with Bluehost and get a free domain name. Next on the list, we have listen to your own playlists. If you use the right tools, you can make money when listening to your own playlists. Nielsen, for example, is a great app for making money when listening to music. Nielsen is actively interested in market research. You offer Nielsen access to your musical activities if you download the app. They will then pay you for taking part in their study. However, do not be concerned about your privacy. The app just keeps track of things like what streaming services to use, what kind of music do you listen to, and how you react to marketing schemes. Following that, the app sells its results to a variety of businesses, including music labels and distributors. The app is available on both Google Play and the App Store. You can only receive up to $50 a year though. Although you can collect incentives over the year, the payouts are not as high as on other sites. At the same time, if you are looking for an easy, hassle-free way to make money, the Nielsen app is a good option. Next on the list, we have rate songs. Finally, there are many websites that will pay you to rate music. Music X-Ray and Hit Predictor are two healthy and dependable choices for earning money by rating songs. You just need to listen to songs on both websites. New artists and musical compositions are the subjects of Hit Predictor. You have the opportunity to rate songs by upcoming brands, bands, and singers. You gain points every time you rate an album. When you hit a certain number of points, you can trade them for in a variety of objects, including prizes in cash, Xbox/Amazon gift cards, CDs, and DVDs. Music X-Ray, on the other hand, has songs from all genres, allowing you to select which ones you want to listen to. You will also be informed if a song from your chosen genre is added to the playlist. If you listen to a song for 30 seconds on Music X-Ray, you can win $0.1. You will receive $1 if you listen to the entire album. These payments add up over time, and you will receive about $100 to $200 per month. Next on the list, we have group participations. Many online platforms, as previously stated, pay you to engage in music study. Nielsen accomplishes this by keeping track of the activities. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks, on the other hand, accomplish this by holding focus groups. Music X-Ray 2 has detailed focus groups on its song types. What are focus groups and how do they work? Consider them to be a social discussion. You converse with those who share your musical interests and talk about the songs that you're listening to. The discussion will be directed by a moderator in the group talk. The moderator will ask each participant specific questions such as, what do you like/dislike about the song/artist? Why do you favor this genre in general? Is the artist up to par with your genre's expectations? All you have to do now is respond to these questions. Some types of participatory testing cost less than focus groups. Join as many focus groups as you can if you want to make more money. Next we have Review Music. Of course, if you can be rewarded for rating music, you can be compensated for reviewing it as well. Hit Predictor and Slice the Pie, for example, pay well for music reviews. After signing up, you'll be sent a list of songs to listen to and review. You can earn bonus incentives like Amazon gift cards if you write more reviews in less time. For every 3 ratings, Hit Predictor normally pays $1. You will receive even more if you write longer reviews. You must, however, have an adequate writing and research skills to use the process. Quality reviews examine the album objectively, pointing out both its strengths and weaknesses. So even if you have no experience with musical composition, you should be able to study the subject and provide appropriate input on the album. Next on the list, we have Transcribe Lyrics. There are a number of online transcription jobs available, including lyrics transcription. You can transcribe lyrics for apps like Velocalize and receive about $4 per transcription if you have an iPhone. Velocalize is a common transcription service, but since its music database is on iTunes, it's only compatible with iOS users. To become a member of this transcription team, you must first download the app and create an account. Then, to get started, watch the introduction video. You can choose your preferred genres and only listen to songs that you like. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.